If you find yourself complaining about your team, about them not doing the things that you need them to do, not remembering to do things, not doing them well enough, then this video is for you. I have the same exact struggle, and I can tell you it doesn't have to be this way, and there's a way out. In this video, I'm going to give you a couple really simple, actionable tips, like dead simple. In the meantime, if you don't know who I am, my name's Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com. And I'm making these videos and I coach restoration folks all over the country because I'm passionate about helping them to get more profitable, to reduce the chaos in their business, and to build something they can sell someday when they decide it's time to move on. All right, so let's get into it. Here's my thought on the topic. If your team is letting you down, you've got to ask yourself as the leader, have I done a really good job of setting very clear expectations? Am I holding them accountable, and am I giving them feedback? So, expectations, one. Think about this. If they're not doing what you need them to do, want them to do, is it because they don't know what to do? Or is it because you've been crystal clear with what your expectations are and they're just choosing to not do those things? In a lot of cases, it's because there aren't crystal clear expectations. If you don't know what the target is, how can you hit it, right? So that's the first step. Make sure that you've got crystal clear expectations, even if it's 1 or 2 or 3, the most important elements of whatever it is their job is. Number 2 is having a scorecard. Creating a scorecard where you're tracking the measurables, their action or their activity, and the results every week. This way, they're going to have the third element really built in: feedback. Regular, quick, timely feedback. They're going to be able to see on the scorecard if they're hitting the mark or not. And as the leader, if they report to you or if they report to somebody else, then you need to have this conversation with that person too, because that person is the person that needs to give the team member feedback. But let's say it's you. Now you can have the conversation. If their scorecard items are off track, you can have the scorecard and use this simple acronym, LBNT. What did you like best, and what are you going to do differently next time? If they're off track, there's probably a lot of conversation around the next time. What are you going to do differently next time? So again, just to recap, if your team is letting you down, as the leader, you've got to ask yourself, have I done the best job that I can possibly do with this person or these people when it comes to setting clear expectations, holding them accountable, and giving them regular, fast, timely feedback? If you want to learn more about how I might be able to help you, just click the link below this video, schedule a call with me, and we'll talk. Thanks for watching.